In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert audio into a question in Edulastic. There are a few steps to this process and some text that you'll need to have after the fact in order to make it work. We're going to be using the embed feature of the question type. So when you click on the camera, ultimately we're going to be using this embed code option. The first thing that you need to do is you need to record your audio in an MP3. You can do this with a few different tools, but an easy one is to just go to onlinevoicerecorder.com, click the microphone, and make a recording. I have already done that, and I have saved the MP3 file to my computer. So however you want to create the recording, you just need to have an MP3 file. The next step is to go ahead and upload that file into your Google Drive. So you can just go to New, File Upload, and upload that file. I have already gone ahead and done this. You're going to want to change the share settings to anyone with the link, and then we are going to copy this link. So the other thing that you're going to need to have before we work in here is I would recommend opening a note or a Google Doc or something that you can copy and paste text into. So these instructions I'm going to include with this video because we're going to need to use them to create our iframe. So I'm going to right click on this file, and I already changed my share settings to anyone with the link, and now I'm going to copy the link. And then I'm going to go to my note or a Google Doc or somewhere where I can paste it. Go ahead and hit paste. So here is the file that link that I'm going to be using. So in my instructions, we just did right click, get the link, change the accessibility to anyone with the link, and copy the link. So those are the first 3 steps. Now it's going to tell you that your URL is going to have an ending with view USP equals sharing. And we need to replace that part with the word preview. So here's the link that I just pasted. I'm going to highlight where it says view, and I'm going to just hit the backspace button, and I'm going to type in the word preview. So now this is the link that I'm going to use. So we've done this step, and next we need to use this code here, which I will include with this video. So you notice where it says drive URL, that part we are going to replace with this link. So I'm going to go ahead and delete drive URL, and then I'm going to highlight my link and hit cut, and then go back in between those quotation marks and paste. And now this is the code that I'm going to highlight, hit copy, and I'm going to go back to Edulastic, go to my camera, make sure you're on that embed code option, and hit paste, and then go ahead and click insert. Now you're going to see that you have an audio player to go with your passage or your question. I can go ahead and click save. And then when I preview the question, you'll see that they can play the audio.
Is your pet hard to train? Asked Jessie. Sammy sighed.
So that is inserting audio into an Edulastic question.